Hey everybody, Aaron Zamzo from FireRescueFitness.com. Wanted to show you a quick and easy way to make a suspension training system from the comforts of your own home with just 2 sheets. What I did here today is I took 2 sheets and you tie the corners, the ends together. And all you need to do is take this and then distribute it over a doorway. Obviously the door, you want to make sure that the door closes towards you so the weight of the blankets and sheets keep that door closed and also keeps this in place. But this is a really easy way to use, again, 2 blankets, almost close to simulate a TRX or some webbing, something that you could do body weight rows from. You could do bicep curls with this. You can also do triceps. You can use the blankets to help stabilize during single leg pistol squats. There's a lot of variations that you can do with this particular setup, and I'll have more coming out for you on that. You'll be able to see the link down below in a couple days, but I just wanted to get this out there so you can play around with this idea. Take some old blankets again, you're going to tie them together, make sure it's real stable. This goes up over the door. And then all you need to do is pull that door closed. Now, in some cases, it may not close all the way, but as you pull a little bit, you can twist the blankets to make it a little more streamlined. But from here, you could do all kinds of things. You could do your body weight row. You could do a tricep extension. Obviously, you want to make sure, again, that you keep that blanket nice and tight, but a lot of different exercises can be done with this setup. And again, I'll cover a lot of those in the near future. But today I wanted you to get your head around how you can create a suspension training system just with a blanket. Next, I'm going to go through and show you how you can do it with some webbing that you can find around any firehouse. You might have some laying around your house too. So stay tuned for that.